Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is currently the trending topic on the Twitter platform, one of the biggest discussion platforms there is on social media. You're not going to see a post from Trump on Instagram, necessarily, a mighty one. Now on Facebook, not necessarily, a mighty one. You will see one on Twitter. Yeah, I go see him on Twitter, one of the biggest discussion platforms. Now, fans, and to be told to viewers and subscribers, there were mixed reviews. But the discussion was mainly around the topic of the new track from Vybz Kartel titled Not Okay. Now, most fans, viewers and subscribers seem to readily appreciate and were impressed by the artist and his range. One of the few or only dancehall tracks at this point in time from any dancehall artist in which we can critique the artist and the range of his voice, viewers and subscribers, showing musical prowess. Others said they were happy to see Vybz Kartel present fresh musical concepts, even if it was outside of the listener's comfort zone, viewers and subscribers. And first and foremost, let me say this. When Albert Einstein presented his findings on the universe and I say him feel like the dimensions are 7, then they laugh off him and I say, what kind of theory this Albert Einstein present? In truth and in fact though, in majority of holy books, it has always described the heavens as 7. When Nikola Tesla presented his findings on physics and showed them how them could harness free energy, renewable free energy, them laugh off him and I say, yo, Nikola Tesla is them out of mind. When the great painters, Picasso, you name them, presented their paintings, they never readily appreciate them. In this day and age though, they are revered as some of the biggest artists that have ever lived. And when they met them painting people, that's what is. Them paint abstract. So people that never readily gravitate to it. However, I will point out this. The reason why some people attack when they talk about the song is because they are compared to other dancehall tracks. But this is a fusion track, viewers and subscribers, showing you that there is no boundary, no bars to dancehall music. Why are all dancehall topics always about woman a dance, iron a fire, and herb in a brain? Warm to the other situations that we face on a day-to-day basis. You have people that go through depression, you have people that face hungry, you have people that face PTSD. Some people don't even know what that means, but to the amount of things that take place in the garrison, you should know that by now. The teacher shows that dancehall music can cover a wide array of topics without being limited to just talking about just the subcontext of what go on, man. Think about it, a food for thought. And if we separate the song from, let's say, other dancehall songs, hardcore dancehall songs, let's just look at it now as a track from an artist in the rock pop fusion sound style. Remember, when Omi make cheerleader, they must say, who the youth here? Majority of the artists who critique Omi on the track cheerleader on him album, I've never sold the amount of units that album and that track has sold in them entire career. I mean, I talk about some artists where they debut for some 10 years, some only for years, even veteran artists who critique that track and that album. I've never sold the units. Omi make the album, then I make no more album. Never need to. Still a tour off of them song the same way. Currently, you know I go on worldwide, so no tour not take place. But prior to this, now when we look at the song for just its creative contribution, just the type of song itself, it's a very powerful and creative track. When you can't do nothing but appreciate the artist and his creativity. Some on attack and even some on artists. Because enough of them people who make them statement there with these blank accounts are actually other artists. We just have to take that point of a call them out. Some of them accounts I want to see viewers and subscribers. Because majority of people nowadays on social media have a display pic. Them media account them I use for talk, they must have voice them opinion. The people who you see a forward and them an icon and them ray and dep on social media without an icon. You know, see, these are what the North Americans call the trolls, viewers and subscribers. And enough of them locally are other entertainers. So when you hear them say certain things, these other artists, viewers and subscribers and naysayers and supporters of the naysayers who are talking about that song, have never shown us any level of creativity. So no doubt when an artist found out with such a creative track, something was so out of the box, no doubt them are going to say, but wait, if dancehall move to this level of creativity, how will we survive in the game? We don't have them lyrical capabilities. We don't have this kind of creative mindset. Or we are going to put out song where I can compete with these type of music. I forget them out. When the teacher did start to say, watch, you know, the fusion sound is going to be the dominant sound, you know. And the younger artists, them can put out music on it. But majority of the established veteran artists, them now can too gravitate to this style and beat. You know them try to say? Vybz Kartel has changed dancehall music and we need to get him out. In this modern day and age though, what is taking place? That same style of beat is the dominant sound in dancehall. And the same veteran artists who couldn't or wouldn't adapt have now faded away. And that is why they never want Vybz Kartel usher in that new sound in dancehall music. But it reached and it there. And yes, the effects we don't worry about, it did take place for true. But you have to remember, it pushed artists to be creative. But you still have put out music. See, Beanie put out all a song recently. See, Beanie and Bounty do them performance and the biggest thing recently. 500,000 people watch it one time. Them said the first them ever see dancehall captivate such an audience. Would you believe? For as long as dancehall has been established, did you know that at one point in time, no, meaning at any instant, there has never been 500,000 people watching dancehall music? Would you believe that? Never. At the first it happened in our history, 500,000 people at one moment in time was watching Beanie Man and Bounty perform. No artist never get 500,000 people to watch them. When you say 1 million views on a video, unless that million views happen instantaneously, meaning say as the video drop, boom, million views, which the platform will not be able to record and display to you. This is the only way to see that when you actually see the venue packed to capacity. I don't know say it can hold 500,000 and we don't know any venue that can hold 500,000 people. Name one, 500,000 people. You don't know, you have stadiums where can hold hundreds of thousands of people, but you know, 500,000 or 1 million people, no, we not have no venue at that capacity that I know of. But they can drop in the comment section so we can be aware of this. Every day you learn something new, we're not afraid to learn something new. But something will matter. And everything the people that try to teach are things they have gravitate to. So yeah, man, we're not going to want to learn everything. Certain things you have to keep your knowledge to yourself. But if it's something that matters, something of this nature, if there is a stadium that can hold 1 million people, I'm not sure about, you know? I'm not sure about that. Because Abuja Ram Stadium one day and I never 500,000 people there. But the whole heap of people, and the Ram Stadium in the pack out now, you couldn't be, there was no space for nobody else. So, you know, a food for thought. Dancehall can still grow. And them not like the artists, them want nurture dancehall. The artists, them want nurture dancehall and bring forth innovative and creative contributions to the genre. And them try to get out. You see the subpar artists, remember, if we don't want to reach now, you know, as a genre, the subpar artists, the only artists them who know say alright, when compared to international artists, they will fade into the background. White for the background. Background rather. They will fade. These are the artists where them like to present and prop up and put at the forefront. Meaning to them know say alright when them do this. Artists, because remember, at one point in time dancehall was controlled predominantly by the producers. And producers would rather, depending upon the contract where them have with an artist, put out singles. Because we can have individual contracts for every single. But an album contract is a different type of contract. And it is normally done with artists who sign to somebody. So we can link up with a producer, And because of me I produce my album, them can get a percentage from that. We don't know the percentage go. You have to ask the people who have licensed the music. But there's a percentage, and that is how the money is divided. So, being that I'm not signed to nobody, you will get a bigger percentage of that money. When you do a production, however, and the producer build the rhythm, and I get you for vice pan the rhythm, the money is different. Some people say a 50-50, I am still not sure. But it is different. Rather than opposed to when you commission your album, as in Vybz Kartel case, and give producers accreditation, and you know, them get the money from wherever the money divides or wherever the money splits. Food for thought. Vybz to the one called Jayden, she's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, it's a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as upon the platform. Yeah man, the like icon there too. The like icon is right there. Drop a like on the blog, drop a share on the blog too. Share icon in close proximity. You don't have to walk one away. You don't have to take a taxi, go to on the no. Right, there's the share icon there. Share the vlog. Comment section open 24/7. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines like your parents in there. And you know what I mean? And talk about the thing them decent. And to the reason again, viewers and subscribers, I move settings and my sentiments for you and yours is live, love and prosper until we reason again.